Hi there, this is Demetria from Jewel Conscious. I decided to do a video on this Victorian buckle tassel bracelet that's available right now in 18 karat gold. It measures 1 inch wide in the mesh area, not the buckle. And the reason why I wanted to do a video for this particular piece is because it is simple yet complex, and it's easier to show whoever potentially will end up owning this bracelet how it works through the video. This is a fairly heavy piece weighing at 69.4 grams of 18 karat gold. It is in very, very nice condition, and you can tell by how it lays and the stretch of the gold. It is a tight weave, but it is flexible and feels wonderful on the wrist. And the benefit of this particular piece is that it is adjustable to all different size wrists. So as an heirloom, it's a great piece to pass on the family line. It'll fit anyone. So here it goes. There's 2 little buttons on each side that you actually press and are able to adjust the tassel and the weave of the bracelet as you put it on and off. And it just elegantly slides when you press the buttons. So right now I made it into a very teeny wrist, and I'm going to open it up to actually put it on my wrist and show you how easy it is to actually put it on and off. When I press the 2 buttons, and it's difficult to see, I'm going to press it and I'm actually going to slide the mesh up, and as I slide it, it tightens as I move it. So I like to wear my bracelets fairly tight, and this is actually a comfortable size. I would say this is for now a 6.5 inch wrist, and then you can open it up again on the 2 buttons by the buckle to just slide it and remove it. And there it is, Victorian Mesh tassel bracelet.